Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine without adding any extra sugar. Many people believe you always need to add sugar, but with the right fruit, you can create delicious wine using only its natural sweetness. We'll explore how to select the best fruits and guide you through the simple steps. This method focuses on harnessing nature's bounty, allowing the fruit's inherent sugars to drive the entire fermentation process, resulting in a pure and flavorful beverage. It's a surprisingly straightforward and rewarding process. To begin your sugar-free winemaking journey, you'll need a few key items. Start with approximately 5 pounds of your chosen ripe fruit, such as berries or grapes, along with 1 gallon of clean water and a packet of wine yeast. For equipment, gather a food-grade primary fermenter, an airlock, and a hydrometer to measure sugar levels. Remember, sanitation is paramount. Ensure all your tools are meticulously cleaned and sanitized to guarantee a successful and healthy fermentation. Once your fruit is prepared, gently crush it to release its juices and natural sugars. Transfer the crushed fruit and water into your sanitized primary fermenter, creating what's known as the must. Now, it's time to pitch your wine yeast, ensuring the must's temperature is within the ideal range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Secure the airlock and let the magic happen. Fermentation typically takes around 2 weeks, during which the yeast diligently converts those natural sugars into alcohol. After the initial fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving behind any sediment. This step helps clarify your wine. Next, allow your wine to age for at least 1 to 3 months. This period is crucial for flavor development and maturation. Finally, bottle your beautiful, sugar-free wine into sanitized bottles, sealing them securely for long-term enjoyment. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.